Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used the Morphe Ashley Strong Affirmation Magic Artistry palette. It is a mouthful, but it is a gorgeous palette, I will say that much. When I saw it in Ulta yesterday, I about freaked out, and I think they only had like 2 left by the time I grabbed it. So yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow palette. Look at that. I really like this palette. I think it is so pretty, and I am so excited to use it more. This is what I did today. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video because my daughter is slowly turning up the volume on the front room TV. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. I really like this little palette. I think it is so freaking pretty, and like to travel with, it's, you know, it's not huge, but I really like it. I think it'd be a fun palette. I'm gonna take it with me whenever I go on my trip with my sister in a couple weeks, so super excited about that. I don't have too much to chit chat about, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos. I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel, at least 2 to 3. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.